Let's install a realistic graphics mod in GTA 4 for low-end PCs. Check my video description for this mod link. Scroll down and check the download option and select start download option and it will start downloading. After the download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Close stuff here. Right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Before doing this mod, back up your GTA 4 game folder, copy and paste it in same location and rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the GTA 4 folder, drag and drop all these files inside of a game folder, replace the file in the destination. Now you can launch the game. I will show you guys before and after comparison. You can easily compare with mod and without mod. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.